What does this sign mean? A. No overtaking. B. No motor vehicles. C. Clear way, no stopping. D. Cars and motorcycles only. The correct answer is B. No motor vehicles. What does this sign mean? A. Bend to the right. B. Road on the right closed. C. No traffic from the right. D. No right turn. The correct answer is D. No right turn. Which type of sign tells you what you must not do? The correct answer is A. Which sign means no stopping? The correct answer is B. What does this sign mean? A. You have priority. B. No motor vehicles. C. Two-way traffic. D. No overtaking. The correct answer is D. No overtaking. How many did you get right? What does this sign mean? The correct answer is minimum speed limit of 30 miles per hour. What does this sign mean? The correct answer is vehicles may pass either side to reach same destination. What does this sign mean? The correct answer is mini roundabout. What does this sign mean? The correct answer is parking place for buses. What does this sign mean? The correct answer is accompanied horses or ponies likely to be in or crossing road ahead. What does this sign mean? The correct answer is tunnel ahead. What does this sign mean? The correct answer is children going to or from school. How many did you get correct?
Most fail these road sign questions. Can you beat them? Quick, spot the no entry sign. Correct answer, B. Can you catch the maximum speed limit sign? Correct answer, B. No mistakes. See the no U-turn sign? Correct answer, A. Fast. Which one is no parking? Correct answer, A. Look close. Where's the minimum speed limit sign? Correct answer, A. Ready? Find the roundabout sign. Correct answer, B. Can you spot the slippery road sign? Correct answer, B. How many did you get right? Comment your score. Guess this sign. If you get this right, you're born to drive. Divided highway begins. Can you recognize this warning sign? Only true road pros know this one. Speed bump ahead. What does this sign mean? Think carefully before you move. Yield ahead. Identify this road symbol. If you know this, you've got great observation skills. Stop ahead. Seen this one before? Let's see if your road sense is on point. Steep hill downward. Do you know the message behind this sign? Roundabout thinkers get this right. Roundabout ahead. Can you identify this road sign? Stay sharp. This one's tricky. Two-way traffic. What does this next sign mean? Sharp minds and focused drivers will get it. Sharp turn right, winding road ahead, or is it something else? Smart drivers know this instantly. Winding road ahead. Here's your final test. Only experienced drivers spot this fast. Slippery road when wet? You guessed them all? Then you're not just a driver, you're a road legend. Comment how many you got right.
What does this sign mean? This sign doesn't exist. It was created by ChatGPT. Which sign is a left turn? None of them. This is the left turn sign. What does this sign mean? A. Drawbridge ahead. B. Broken bridge ahead. Drawbridge ahead. Be careful. Road may open for ships. What does a yellow flashing light mean? A. Slow and go. B. Stop and look. Slow and go. Before we finish, don't forget to follow me for better content on your feed. On which road may you pass another vehicle? Neither. The solid line is in your side of the road. Ladies, they say that guys are better drivers. Let's find out with this quiz. Which one is in the correct order? Number 2. What does double solid white lines mean? A. You cannot change lanes. B. You can change lanes. You cannot change lanes. Which sign is left turn? Number 1. Before we finish, don't forget to follow me for better content on your feed. What does ABS stand for in cars? A. Automatic balance steering. E. Advanced brake suspension. C. Anti-lock braking system. Anti-lock braking system. How many did you mess up? Let's settle it now. Are guys really better than us?
What does this road sign mean? Answer A, stop sign ahead. Answer B, yield sign ahead. Correct answer, A, stop sign ahead. Question number 2. Can you identify this traffic sign? Answer A, single lane transition. Answer B, two-way traffic. Correct answer, A, single lane transition. Question number 3. Where is this road sign used? Answer A, emergency vehicle area. Answer B, pedestrian zone. Correct answer, A, emergency vehicle area. Question number 4. Do you know this sign? Answer A, merge left. Answer B, merge right. Correct answer A, merge left. Question number 1. What does this road sign mean? Answer A, pedestrians ahead. Answer B, pedestrian crossing. Correct answer A, pedestrians ahead. Question number 2. Can you identify this traffic sign? Answer A, soft verges. Answer B, slippery when wet. Correct answer, A, soft verges. Question number 3. Where is this road sign used? Answer A, traffic queues likely ahead. Answer B, roadworks ahead. Correct answer, A, traffic queues likely ahead. Question number 4. Do you know this sign? Answer A, no through road. Answer B, one-way road. Correct answer, A, no through road. Question number 1. What does this road sign mean? Answer A, flagger ahead. Answer B, stop ahead. Correct answer, A, flagger ahead. Question number 2. Can you identify this traffic sign? Answer A, workers ahead. Answer B, road closed. Correct answer, A, workers ahead. Question number 3. Where is this road sign used? Answer A, snowmobile crossing. Answer B, deer crossing. Correct answer, A, snowmobile crossing. Question number 4. Do you know this sign? Answer A, equestrian crossing. Answer B, animal zone. Correct answer, A, equestrian crossing. Question number 1. What does this road sign mean? Answer A, tunnel ahead. Answer B, quayside or riverbank ahead. Correct answer. B. Quayside or riverbank ahead. Question number 2. Can you identify this road sign? Answer A. Watercourse alongside road. Answer B. Flooded area ahead. Correct answer. A. Watercourse alongside road. Question number 3. What does this sign warn you about? Answer A. Uneven road surface. Answer B. Steep hill ahead. Correct answer. A. Uneven road surface. Question number 4. Do you know what this traffic sign means? Answer A. Slippery road. Answer B. Road under construction. Correct answer. A. Slippery road.